Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The difference म्हणलं की आता hallmarking is compulsory and it has been made mandatory by the government. Government and certain parameters fix केल्ले आसा. So it is 9 carat, 14 carat, 18 carat, 20 carat and 22 carat. So त्या पॅरामिटराचेर गोल्ड प्युरिटी फिक्स आसा. सध्या कस्टमर ट्रेंड असो आसा की कस्टमर जी आयडल ज्वेलरी आसा कस्टमरा कडेन if they want to exchange it for new gold ते gold घेवन येतात and we insist them to go for a lower purity around 20 carat 18 carat. The jewelry is much affordable. Gold prices are mostly depend on US federal rate policy and geopolitical tensions. And another important aspect is the dollar index. All depends on the dollar. The weaker the dollar, the higher the gold prices. Now the government has introduced 14 carat and 9 carat as well. Customers are moving more towards 20 carat and 18 carat now because of the gold prices. Gold has gone beyond the reach of common people. So it has definitely affected local market as well.